Imagine a universe vastly different from the one we know, one where the night sky is not filled with stars but with the glow of alien architecture, casting artificial light across the darkness of space. In such a world, the silhouettes of extraterrestrial cities might shine through the void, illuminating their presence as clearly as our own cities do from orbit. Thanks to the extraordinary capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, this once speculative vision is inching closer to reality. A stunning discovery involving Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, has brought us to the edge of one of the most exciting scientific revelations of our time. Researchers have identified what appears to be artificial illumination emanating from Proxima b, a rocky exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star. This subtle but significant anomaly has sparked worldwide interest and speculation, as it suggests the potential presence of a technologically advanced civilization. This development challenges our understanding of life and intelligence in the cosmos. For centuries, the search for extraterrestrial life has been driven by the hope of finding simple organisms, microbial life perhaps, clinging to the edge of a Martian crater or beneath the icy crust of Europa. But the lights on Proxima b tell a different story, one far more complex. If confirmed, they would indicate not only the existence of life, but of a civilization capable of generating artificial light, a feat that requires sophisticated knowledge, planning, and technological advancement. It evokes images of cities teeming with intelligent beings, living beneath alien skies and writing their own histories. Much like the urban landscapes that define our own nighttime Earth, this hypothetical civilization would have mastered energy, construction, and perhaps even communication across great distances. The implications are staggering. Could we soon be on the brink of contact with sentient beings from another world? This possibility opens up countless questions, not just scientific, but philosophical and cultural. Are we truly prepared to encounter another form of intelligence? What would such a discovery mean for humanity's sense of identity? For so long, we have imagined ourselves as the center of the story, the lone conscious species in a vast and indifferent universe. But if we are not alone, everything must be rethought. Our religions, our philosophies, our sciences, all would be tested against the reality of another culture, one that evolved separately and perhaps surpasses us in ways we cannot yet understand. Our beliefs about life, morality, purpose, and existence itself could be irrevocably altered by the confirmation of intelligent life elsewhere. At the same time, the discovery of such life would inspire us to look inward. It would force a profound reevaluation of human nature, culture, and values. How would we choose to represent ourselves to another civilization? What aspects of our culture would we be proud to share, and which would we wish to conceal? This self-reflection could drive a new era of global cooperation, unity, and purpose. Knowing we are not alone might make our divisions seem smaller, our shared planet more precious, and our stewardship of Earth more urgent. Alternatively, the revelation could spark geopolitical tension as nations and corporations compete to claim a stake in interstellar diplomacy or alien technology. The race for dominance in space could mirror the rivalries of Earth, but on an even grander scale. Beyond the social and political dimensions, this discovery would also reshape the future of science and exploration. Our search for life would no longer be a fringe pursuit, but a central mission of humanity's scientific enterprise. Space telescopes, planetary probes, and interstellar communication arrays would become even more critical as we attempt to learn more about our cosmic neighbors. The James Webb Space Telescope plays a pivotal role in this journey. Its extraordinary sensitivity allows it to capture light from the most distant and ancient corners of the universe. It can peer through the veil of cosmic dust and unlock the secrets hidden in the atmospheres of exoplanets. By analyzing starlight that passes through these atmospheres, scientists can detect the presence of vital chemical compounds, water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and others, that are essential to life as we understand it. These spectral fingerprints provide critical clues about whether a planet could support life. Even more exciting is the possibility of detecting biosignatures or technosignatures, indicators of biological activity or advanced technology. Such capabilities represent a profound leap in our ability to assess the habitability of distant worlds. But the telescope's value extends even further. It is also offering unprecedented insights into the early universe, capturing light from galaxies that formed over 13 billion years ago. In doing so, it is helping us reconstruct the birth of stars, galaxies, and planetary systems, painting a more complete picture of the universe's origin and evolution. Understanding the early cosmos is not just an academic pursuit, it tells the story of where we come from. The same forces that shaped those ancient galaxies eventually gave rise to our own solar system, and to us. In studying the formation of other planetary systems, we begin to understand the conditions that made life on Earth possible. We can also identify similarities and differences that hint at how life might arise elsewhere. This cosmic context expands our vision, revealing how deeply connected we are to the rest of the universe. Perhaps most intriguing are the hidden worlds that the James Webb Telescope is only beginning to reveal. Planets with unique chemical compositions, stars on the brink of collapse, and phenomena that defy current scientific models. The telescope's capacity to see in the infrared spectrum allows it to detect faint signals and structures previously invisible to older instruments. It is ushering in a new era of discovery, where the universe is no longer a dark mystery but a richly detailed map waiting to be explored. The deeper it looks, the more it uncovers, and each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of our existence. This technological revolution is changing how we approach the search for life. Traditional methods like listening for radio signals are being complemented by more sophisticated techniques that analyze chemical signatures and thermal patterns. The shift to infrared astronomy allows scientists to peer through the dust clouds that obscure star-forming regions and distant planetary systems, uncovering clues that may lead us directly to alien biospheres or civilizations. The implications extend far beyond scientific curiosity. If we discover other beings capable of communication, it could launch a new chapter in human history, one defined by interstellar dialogue and mutual understanding. The possibility of contact with other intelligent life forces us to prepare in ways we've never considered. How do we speak across the stars? What language do we use? What ethics guide our interactions? Would we find cooperation, conflict, or something in between? Even without contact, the mere knowledge that other civilizations exist would be transformative. It would alter how we think about ourselves, our responsibilities, and our future. We would have to reckon with the fact that the human experience is just one of many, perhaps a small thread in a vast cosmic tapestry. Yet for all the excitement, this journey also brings humility. The universe is immense, ancient, and still largely unknown. The discoveries we make today are only a glimpse of what lies ahead, but with each observation, each analysis, and each question answered, we move closer to understanding not only what's out there, but who we are. The James Webb Space Telescope is not merely a tool, it is a milestone in humanity's long voyage toward knowledge. It challenges us to look beyond our narrow perspectives, to embrace the unknown, and to dare to believe that the cosmos holds more wonders than we can yet imagine. As we continue to explore, we are reminded that the universe is alive with potential. Other worlds may exist with skies more colorful than ours, oceans of unfamiliar composition, and landscapes that challenge the laws of physics as we know them. Somewhere out there, an advanced civilization may be watching the stars, wondering, like us, if they are alone. The cosmos is calling, inviting us to reach beyond what we know, to unlock its secrets, and to discover not just new worlds, but new ways of understanding ourselves. The future of space exploration is not just about seeing further. It's about thinking deeper. The stars may shine with ancient light, but the ideas they inspire are brand new, and the story of our universe is still being written.